Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn about margin in CSS. What is margin in CSS? Margin is the space an object has beyond its borders. It is like the object's aura. We can change the size of the margin using CSS. When styling in CSS, we are using the CSS box model. You might have seen this layout if you ever pressed Inspect on a website. The CSS model is composed of the content, then the padding around it, next the border, and finally the margin. The margin is the space beyond the border. It's like the object's personal space. And today, we will learn how to configure our margin size. For this video, I will be using a div element that is holding a paragraph element from my HTML file. And in my CSS file, I will color the background of our div element blue and set both its width and height to 300 pixels. If we do this, we will have a blue box with our paragraph on our website. Now, to set a margin size for your HTML element, write a margin property after selecting your HTML element. As you may know, I have already written many CSS properties from my HTML element. Just write your margin property after the other properties. I will not show them here for the sake of conciseness. First, write margin all lowercase and follow it with a colon. Then, write the number of pixels you want there to be between your content and your border. Make sure to end it with px. This is how it will look on our website. The element now has a bigger margin around it than compared to before. One last thing to note is that we can target which side to configure, instead of changing the margin size all around the element on all sides. There is a way to only configure the top, bottom, left, or right side of your content. Just write margin, dash, the side you want, and the size of your spacing. The margin dash top only configures the top. The margin dash bottom only configures the bottom. The margin dash left only configures the left. The margin dash right only configures the right. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.